Hello, welcome back. This is part 2 to Alyssa's video. We had just done her cut and color. I'll link that video right here if you'd like to see the tutorial on how we did that. We melted her base down into a faux balayage. Now I'm going to show you how I did those voluminous, beautiful curls. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch wide curling iron, taking about 1 1/2 to 2 inch wide sections, spinning it around like I'm going to curl, and then I drop it out and keep twisting it that way. I'm going to slow it down a little bit right here so you can give it a better look. So grabbing the hair in the midsection, spinning it around, and before I spin it around yet again, I'm going to drop that previous curl or hair that's in the iron out, spin it up into that, pull it down, and then just keep spinning. And you're like twisting the hair as you're like pulling it out. So you can use a big curling iron for those nice beachy waves and keep them a little tighter rather than too loose because you're using a bigger curling iron. When you have really long, thick hair like this, it's a lot easier to use a wider curling iron rather than a smaller curling iron. It makes the process a lot faster and a lot simpler. I'm going to speed this process up a little bit so you can get to the part where I start separating the curls and put that voluminous body in her hair. And now we are ready for the volume. What I actually have her do is flip her head over after spraying it some hairspray, and then just taking my fingers and with some little bit of biolage oil on my fingers and running them through her hair, teasing it, messing it up a little bit, kind of just loosening those curls. And now I'm kind of spraying some hairspray through the hair as I shake it, and then let that dry for a second, and then I go ahead and have her flip her head up. And ta-da! We got our voluminous, beachy, wavy curls on long, thick hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see her color tutorial, I will link that video below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and show support for my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, if you want to make sure that you get notified when I release more tutorials, just hit that subscribe button below and also the bell, and I'll get more to you soon. Bye!